What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Yes, I am awkwardly squatting here taking this video, and I'm not entirely sure why, but it just felt right. So Marco, the owner of the Mustang, came by, and he's actually going to put in some work on his own car. And he's been wanting to try and film some of the progress on his own that we can add to the channel. So he was here just a bit ago setting up the camera, and he wanted to try and kind of make an introduction for himself to the channel since he hasn't really been on here. He was briefly in the startup video, yeah, but nobody really knows who he is, I guess. And so he was going to try and make an introductory video for himself, and he's probably just as awkward as I am. This whole filming thing is just kind of weird. But anyways, I'm gonna see if he's out there, see if there's a dog fight or something. I'm gonna see if he's out there, see if he's filmed anything, see if he's filming anything, and see if he's done anything on his own car. So let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Marco. I am the owner of this beautiful 99 V6 Mustang. Today we're going to try to get the fans on, see if we can get it on the road today. So, let's get to it. Hey, what's up you guys? So, for those who don't know, I am Marco, the owner of this Mustang, and yeah. Hey, what's up guys?
Okay, well. Sweet. Let's get him in.
If you guys are ever looking for a cheap way to hold down your battery, ratchet strap does the work.
Yeah, if you ever need battery relocation kits, just hit up Marco.
So what are we gonna do for the terminals?
Probably snip them off and then make some male spades that'll fit in there or something.
You got that here?
I think so. Let's see what I got.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try to route this fan that will be sitting over here. We're gonna try to route it from there, connect it with that one, and join them together here at the connector.
Sweet. These might work. Got this. Watching my boy here. I just have these ones, but you can pull those centers out of there and then shave them down. I'm guessing we'll need to shave the sides down a little bit to fit, but I've got a couple of them here. And I grab some stuff to pull those sleeves off. So we got an update here on the fans. We got one in there, right back in there, and Marco's ever so gently putting a second fan in there. We're finding that we have to poke holes through the condenser side over here, and we're using these guys that come with the fans, and they don't want to poke through the condensers, so we're having to make our own holes, which we're not running AC, so just in case in case you're wondering. Perfect. All right. Dude, that's clean. All right, so we got one hole made, and we'll have this other fan mounted up here in no time. See, we made some connectors here that plug into the factory. Where is it? This guy will plug into power and ground, and we wire the two fans together, and all should be good. Running here in no time. Where's it gonna poke through? Oh, there we go. No problem. Look at that. Sometimes you just gotta do what you need to do.
So now we're able to get these and go through the condenser.
Look at that, no problem. Here.
You want to hold that?
Yeah, I got it. Sweet. Perfect. Alright, now we just gotta plug it in and zip tie some wires up. Alright, so we got the fans in. Hopefully it'll be enough cooling. Got them plugged in. And we're gonna start it up and make sure the clutch works, make sure the wheels spin, and then I think we're gonna take it down off the jacks here and maybe take it for a spin. Let's do it. Yeah. But hit the gas a few times, you'll see how it stumbles. You just have to be easy on it, because if you mash it, it'll do the stumbling thing. Alright. I'm doing double camera duty here. See if we can do this. This is a lot of fun. She's bucking like a pony. Huh?
Should I back it up?
Yeah, if you want to. That'd probably be easiest.
Are we gonna go? After 2,000 RPMs,
It just cuts out. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I need to go with. I mean, it doesn't.
coming.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's not running right, but the turbo noises are awesome. See?
Yeah. Yeah, go all the way down to the end of the street and then make a right, and we can just make a loop. Oh my god.